I woke up one morning, I was feeling sick. Called up the doctor to see me quick. Voice on the phone said with no hesitation, if you've got insurance, you're our patient. I said, it's just a sore throat. I can pay the bill. She said, well, it'll be $95 to look at your tonsils and $150 to establish you as a patient. So I called around to some companies and I said, I'd like to buy some insurance, please. And they said, we've got to examine you first, find out if you're an acceptable risk. We got to make sure you won't actually get sick. You know, health insurance is for healthy people. So they analyzed my blood and my pee, and they scrutinized every inch of me, took the medical history of all my relations back about a dozen generations. Then they said, we gotta know one more thing. Do you have any pre-existing conditions? Just one, I said, but it's terminal. It's called life. So they signed me up and they told me the terms for helping my body to fend off germs with a co-payment here, deductible there, sky-high premium for each month's care. They said, if you have to go to the hospital, don't worry, we'll be right there looking over your doctor's shoulder. Well, I was starting to see where the problem lay and why I was having to pay and pay. I said, this isn't really about my health. It's something to do with increasing your wealth. They said, what country do you think you're living in? Cuba? France? England? Germany? Taiwan? Brazil? Hungary? New Zealand? Australia? Denmark? Norway, Chile, South Korea, Uruguay, Luxembourg, Liechtenstein? Well, the truth is, with expectations like that, you could be living in any industrialized country in the world except for these United States where there's 47 million of us out here on our own. Yes, healthcare ought to be guaranteed. It's about our lives, not some middleman's greed. And if we all get together and organize, we can have a new system. Get rid of those guys. Yup, we can have universal coverage. Healthcare for people, not for profit. In fact, pretty soon we'll all be feeling so good we'll think we died and went to Canada.